Page 7, When I Survey the Wondrous Cross. 4/4 time. We're still in G position. The right hand hits the melodies. Play the right hand louder than the left. The left hand gets the primary chords. One chord for the G chord, for G major, G chord. One chord, 5/7 chord. That's pretty much it. And then there's a few single notes the left hand gets. Hopefully you can handle those. You need to know the names of these notes. If you don't, you really go back to the method book and start it again or something to get the names of these notes down. You can say the names of the notes while you're playing it. While you're learning, instead of the words, say the notes. Say G, G, A, B, C. Just say the names of the notes, and then do the left hand. When you do a chord, just say each one. This is G, B, D, and then you tie that, and then we have an F sharp, C, D, and then back to the G, B, D again, and the second line, second measure, it's an A, D, C, and then back to the one chord. So make sure you know the names of the notes. In the right hand, second line, third measure, because you've been in this position, you have to cross over the thumb to get to the F sharp. This is a very common thing, and you need to be able to do it eventually without looking at the keyboard. In fact, all these things we're playing, you should be able to do without looking at the keyboard. Eventually. You may have to look down at first, that's fine, but don't consider the piece really learned until you can play it without looking at the keyboard. It's just here. And here you have the one, and then the here. You need to be able to do this. In both hands. You don't have to do it that fast. My point is a very common move. So this is no big deal here. I hope it's no big deal. This has a repeat sign. We're going to play this twice. There's more verses at the bottom. If you want to do those, you go right ahead. Now again, bring out the phrasing in the right hand. A little up and down between each phrase. The left hand you can just keep legato as best you can. The dynamics, they don't give a lot of dynamics. So once you get it learned, you can experiment, because you can kind of go up and down with the dynamics. You don't have to stay at the same level. Just feel it. What do you feel in here? You want to play a little louder, a little softer in a certain point, or one measure, or whatever. Experiment. I'm going to give us 4 counts. I don't have a lot to say here. You've had all this stuff. Let's try this out. Hands in G position. You got F sharps all over, so watch out. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 3, repeat. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2. 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2. 3, 4,